chocolate. So recently I had won this giveaway which was organized by Chef Pooja Dhingra. I won this hot chocolate mix by Love 15 and this very cute mug which has a customized chef print on it. So I'm going to open this box now. Inside the hot chocolate mix box we got 3 sachets and one very cute card which says congratulations on winning the 15 days of giveaway. So let's start making the hot chocolate. To start with, I'm going to open one of the sachets. I'm going to cut this open and empty the contents into a saucepan. The kitchen is already smelling so good. Now into this I'm adding 125 ml of milk, that is 1 mug of milk. I'm going to whisk it till lump free. Now we're going to bring this to a boil, and once it slightly thickens, you know that it's ready. That's it. It's super easy to make, hardly took me 5 minutes. I'm serving this in the same mug that I won in this giveaway.